Today we're going to talk about how to put together our Bunny Butt Peekaboo stamp and die set. I'm going to be showing you the basics on what you'll need to do to begin creating your card, which you can then decorate to create some fun Easter and spring themed cards. So the Bunny Butt stamp set comes with a bunny's front and the bunny's back side. You're going to need both of these images to create the type of card that we're going to be building here. I'm taking a piece of cardstock and I'm going to align one of the bunny images onto the card. It doesn't matter which piece you start with, whether you want the bunny's face or the bunny's butt on the front of your card. I'm going to stamp the image, in this case the bunny's butt, onto the front of this panel. I'm going to stamp this with Simon Says Stamp Intense Black ink, and I'll stamp it a couple of times so I get a really nice crisp impression. After stamping the image, the next thing we're going to need to do is take the coordinating die. This die is designed to cut out either the front or the back side perfectly. The image on the front and the back are the exact same size and shape. You'll notice there's a little tab on the left-hand side, and that's going to create the folding mechanism that will allow you to open and close a door featuring this bunny's face or backside. So I'm going to run this through my die cut machine and remove the die from my paper. Now after die cutting, I do like to turn this over and smooth out any of the edges that the die created when running through my die cut machine. So using my bone folder, I just smooth those out. This is going to aid in making sure I get a really nice smooth impression when I stamp my next image. So I'm going to realign my paper into the MISTI tool, and this time I'll take the reverse image from the Bunny Butt stamp set and align this into the same die cut area that I just cut from the other side of this panel. So now I'm going to stamp this image onto the back side of this door. This is creating a really cute little peekaboo door that will allow you to open and close this panel, which you can then adhere over top of another panel of cardstock that has a fun message on it. So here's the finished bunny butt window. As I fold over this tab, you'll see that this opens and closes to create this really cute little shape, and a bunny's face and backside are on either side of the door. I decorated a card here with a fun sentiment on the inside, so the front of the card reads Happy Easter, and when you open the door, the surprise sentiment reads From Me to You. And these are sentiments that are already included in the Bunny Butt stamp set. This was how the Bunny Butt Peekaboo stamp and die set were intended to be used, but don't forget that you can get creative and make anything your creative mind desires. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more weekly inspiration, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Bye!